Привет, вы на канале Игнат Динамит. Сегодня я вам покажу свой Лего Техник. Вот и коробочка. Вот такая штука у нас получилась, и продолжаем дальше строить. Так, у меня такая и такая. Тут самое сложное место. О, какая штучка у нас получилась. Интересненько, что это будет в самом конце. Дальше. Так, у меня такая штука. И такая штука. Вот такая у меня деталь получилась. И вот у меня такая конструкция уже.
That your heart ain't only soft like Tony. There's a time and a place, a peace of mind and some spaces. All you need, just believe the dream big like faith. A little taste of success can make your mouth obsess and address a humble man until the ego's only left naked and exposed, mind, body, and soul. Come up short of your goal like an air ball free throw. That's what they call missing the point. So let me put it on this paper like I'm rolling a joint. To be blunt, I never really trusted you guys. I seen it in your eyes like a star, ain't no surprise. But see, I let it slide for the time being wise like the all-seeing eyes seeing through your whole disguise. Let's keep it real, you ain't gotta be fake. I'm knowing what you do, but for now, I let it marinate. Sometimes,
Я выбрала чувство
you just gotta
независимости.
relax your mind. Don't be so quick to react. You know we don't get down like that. You wanna do something you might regret later. Man, just let it slide like a crossfader. You know it ain't that serious. Just take a breath, chill out. Just let it marinate. Ha, yeah, just let it marinate. Everybody want to just let it marinate. Check it out, what you got? Just let it marinate. Ha, yeah, just let it marinate. Ha, yeah, just let it marinate. Everybody want to just let it marinate. Check it out, what you got? Just let it marinate. I've been everywhere.
То у меня экскватор получился. Ну, на этом все. Пока-пока. До новых встреч. Ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь на канал. Пока-пока.
Can't be friends if you don't know much, but that's no offense. Life's so intense, I gotta focus on the good.